Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency with over 15 years of experience helping e-commerce brands scale profitably with performance focused advertising. In today's case study, we are diving into a story of a US based business that sells premium inflatable boats, whitewater rafts and dinghies, and how we have helped them generate over $87,000 in terms of revenue with the ROAS of 9.2 in just 1 month. When the client came to us, they were extremely frustrated. Despite having great products and running Google ads, they were not getting the results they have expected. Their campaigns were heavily focused on Google search ads, but the shopping feed was neglected and was not set up properly. Many products were disapproved in the Google Merchant Center due to missing GTINs, invalid product categories and the policy violations. On top of that, the conversion tracking was broken. Neither Google ads nor the analytics were showing any revenue or the conversions, making it nearly impossible to track the performance. Our first step was conducting a complete audit of their account, Merchant Center and the website. We have found that the product feed was incomplete and was not optimized at all. Several of their top selling rafts were disapproved and many listings lacked the structure that Google requires. We have fixed this by rewriting the product title and description, adding missing attributes like the GTINs and the MPNs, and cleaning up the feed to meet the Google policies. Once that was done, we have addressed the broken conversion tracking setup, configuring Google Tag Manager and linking it correctly with the both Google AdWords and the GA4 to ensure a proper attribution and the event tracking. Once the foundation was fixed, we have built a fresh campaign structure. We have launched both standard shopping and the PMAX campaign, ensuring that all the products were segmented properly based on the price points and the product categories. The client had an ongoing promotion with up to 60% off, so we built the custom promotional feeds to highlight this in the ads. We have also created and ran video campaign on YouTube to boost visibility and the brand awareness. Our in-house creative team designed banners and videos tailored for the Performance Max and the remarketing, which played a major role in engaging users across the Google ecosystem. Targeting was another key area. The client was not sure on how to reach the right audience for these niche products, so we have built the audience signals using the competitor keywords, in-market audiences and the custom search themes related to boating, rafting and the water sports. We have also targeted the age ranges and the income levels, focusing on high and medium income users likely to invest in the premium gear. This multi-layered strategy ensured we have reached the buyers with the strong purchase intent. We have also launched the remarketing and the branded campaign to recapture users who had interacted with the website but did not convert. Dynamic remarketing in particular helped us bringing users back to the tailored creatives and the product specific ads. Within just 1 month, the results were impressive. The account generated over $87,000 in terms of revenue with the ROAS of 9.23. The client not only saw a consistent increase in daily sales but also gained full transparency into their campaign performance through the weekly and the monthly KPI reports that we have provided. From the product level data to the audience segmentation and the spend analysis, everything was clearly presented to them to understand where each dollar was going and what return it brought in. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp, and once we have the access to your PPC account, we will be able to do the audit and then we can send you the report. The report of course will be free of cost and it will have what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then you can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to look at it and then we can share with you the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.